Alright, I got this GoPro. Flew off my car. Both lenses got beat up. But I got these new lenses. We're going to see if we can fix it. Okay, so what they do is spring-loaded center punch. We're supposed to put this on here and crack this lens all the way around. Alright, let's see if I can break this sucker. Try to keep the punch a little bit away from the outer plastic edge because I dinged mine up a bit doing this. Be very careful not to get into the actual good lens inside that hole in the center. Okay, I snapped that lens in there. Of course, I did it off a video, but you can see at the screen, it looks good. You can see there's not like a smudge on my face, and you can see the duck has like a blur. It's kind of blurred. Because you can see on the lens here, it has like a nick in it from when it flew off the car. So we're going to go ahead and fix this one too. I did this one, accidentally did it off camera. You can see the scratches on this. I tried to buff them out with some buffing compound and stuff, and it worked better. But yeah, this needs swapped. So let's go ahead. I'm going to do this one too. You can already see the glass and stuff from when I replaced this one. All right. Now we already got the back lens fixed. I don't want it to get messed up when I'm fixing this one, so I'm going to lay cloth down. All right, now you don't want to hit your spring-loaded thing right in the center because you're just trying to break away this glass. That's all the new lens is. It's just a little piece of glass. So you can see right on the edge of how big it is there. You can see you got this edge here, then you got another edge right there. So you want to bring your spring-loaded punch right to the edge this way, maybe a little bit in. That's what I did on the other side. So we're going to go ahead and try that. All right, here we go. Right on the edge, bring it up a little bit. Crack out this glass cover is all. All right, here we go. Now you can see, crack the glass, and I'm just going to keep moving up and all the way around. Getting nice and broken. She's all shattered up. Now I'm going to grab my little pocket knife and just try to pop some of that out. It might need another shot with the clicker here. There she's coming out. Oh, it's just kind of coming out one big old piece. Look at that. Yeah. Don't touch the inside circle. Come out here, kind of just scratch on the outside of where the lens goes. Not looking too bad. And I seen a guy doing this with his toothbrush, getting all the little stuff. Get a new toothbrush. Ooh, I kind of dinged up the outside plastic ring a little bit. That's okay. I'm just going to kind of lay this and push outwards and roll it. Just trying to pop that last little bit down. And there was still a couple of pieces of glass right there, right there, right there. Yeah, so it's definitely good to run, you know, something sharp, pointy, maybe a toothpick, something, I don't know, or the edge of a knife right in the corner here, and roll your GoPro all the way around. And then, I don't know, no one said to do this, but I'm worried that there's going to be something like a fingerprint or like a piece of glass left on the actual lens. So I got a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. I don't want it dripping off a Q-tip, but it's a little bit on a Q-tip. I'm just going to run in a circle, not enough to soak any liquid down in there, but and don't hurt to clean all the way around in where your lens is going to sit. Dry all that up. Now when you're touching this lens, just be really soft. I don't know if it can be shoved down inwards or anything, but we're going to be easy just in case it can. Okay, one more little trip around the sun here. Okay, now we should be able to stick the new lens in. Just wanted to show you guys the damage that could happen from putting the center punch too close to the edge of the lens. You can see all the damage is I'm pointing to. Now, I don't even like to touch this with my hand, because then you're going to get it fingerprinty and greasy. I just open this up, and then it'll rip down the side. I do believe it's got like a perforated edge or something. Okay, open this up. No, I'm not going to touch that. Just open it like that, and then I'm going to reach down with my microfiber. There, now I don't have to touch it. Drop it right in there close to the hole. I'll move this I can just feel it kind of drop in there. Okay, see I got this front corner in there. Just don't really want to touch it with my fingers, so you can't really see what's going on, but I can tell you what's going on. Okay. Okay, we got her kind of part way in. We're going to push a little bit more up here. Okay, I felt it squish. Okay, it looks like it's seated pretty well. Oh, that top corner ain't down all the way, I can tell. Oh, I just heard it click. Did you guys hear that? Oh, looks like she's set up in there all the way. Now you can see the plastic outer. It's got a few like little dings in it. But I don't care. I mean, I'm just glad to have it back and working. Now, let's turn it on. See what the screen says here. Oh, the front-facing camera is working really nice. You can see there's no like weird spots. Now let's flip it to the other side. Ah, the camera's back, guys. All right. Hey, everybody. Thanks for watching and for your continued support. I greatly appreciate it.